Dude, so there's actually drivable UFOs, by the way. And these vehicles are very interesting because you can actually use them to reboot teammates. They're mobile reboot devices, and you can carry things with them. There's a lot you can do with these UFO vehicles. I think these are the UFO vehicles. You see how it's picking up that car? Is it gonna throw it at me? As you can see, there's a big alien spaceship above us right now. Okay, silenced SMG is back, normal SMG, and they can all be crafted. Okay, new gun, pulse rifle. This only has 16 bullets, but it kind of works like the Stark rifle. If you hip fire, it shoots fast. If you ADS, look, that's the kind of. If you ADS, it's instant first shot accuracy. It shoots slow, but it does damage. Okay, this is a vending machine. Vending machines are now back. Weapon-o-matic. Pistol for gold, legendary pistol for 100 gold, and then light ammo for gold. So I literally have to buy. But 100 gold will give me a gold pistol. That's actually not a bad deal. Is that a player? What is that? Oh, it's a wolf. This thing grabbed a wolf. That's kind of brutal. Not a lot of damage from range, like the infantry. So this gun, by the way, this gun comes in all rarities, and there's also a mythic version of this gun. There's actually a boss in the middle of the map that drops a mythic version of the pulse rifle. Quick note, some things have been unvaulted. Pistols, launch pads, sniper rifles are back, and infantry has been vaulted, revolvers have been vaulted. Nothing too crazy besides the snipers being unvaulted, and significant vault or unvaulted. But launch pads, I'm not entirely sure if they've been completely unvaulted, but I know there's some launch pads that are on the map that are usable. I'm wondering if you can actually find some that you can place down. I'm being abducted again! How do I get into the spaceship? Do I have to break it? Am I gonna die? Wait, it's crashing. Hold on.
Knowing that you're not my baby, but
the
I think maybe
you'll
reconsider. When I pull up in that brand new thing with the iced out chain and the new chinchilla. And you ain't for the heart when you walked on the floor, you a rude gal, Batman killer. But you ain't never did with the boys in the band, with the bands in the box like Dilla. Love it when you heal up with love, bring it back on your wine.
God, there's a lot of new guns.
Back on your line, but I'm a real player, never act like you're mine. Leave you disappointed, you gon' act like you're fine. And I see it all the time, so it's that style that mine. One dance, go to the next man. Cause I ain't even gotta be your man, bitch, I can still be you. That's the best man, yes ma'am.
Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby,
he dropped a Chimera Raider. Okay, this thing has infinite ammo. The blue one does 9 damage per hit and shoots at a 15 fire rate, so like the SMG. Doesn't look like it goes down as structure. Packs still in the game, pumps are still in the game, lever action. I still want to check out like the alien shotgun. It might not be in the game yet. The description of the season, by the way, the description of the season is that as the war progresses, I guess